My name's Helen Steers. I'm a partner at Pantheon. I head up our European primary investment team based here in London. Today I'm joined by Larsen, who's a partner at IK Investment Partners. Let's talk about some of those sectors that you're particularly interested in. And I know that you've done a number of deals in the healthcare sector, for example.
Correct, yeah.
What sort of value are you looking for in the healthcare sector?
First of all, it's quite a stable sector. So it typically will be very resilient in a financial downturn or economical downturn. It's a sector which is growing due to the aging population that we are experiencing in Western Europe. We think we are able still to develop these companies into attractive investments as well through consolidation and operational improvement programs.
I know that you've invested in a few businesses actually in the elderly care sector, for example Attendo, and I know that's an investment where you made a significant initial investment but then you grew the business quite well over the years and then obviously floated the business on the stock market.
Yes, so Attendo is a Swedish business active in the Nordic region, and we've expanded that business very significantly through partnerships with municipalities in Sweden. Also, we've done a very significant add-on acquisition in Finland of a prime healthcare provider.
Just remind me how long you were an investor in Attendo.
We were an investor in Attendo for almost 10 years.
Also, I believe there was a very large investment by employees and by management.
That is indeed correct, and I think it's one of the key advantages of the private equity model when compared to other ownership models. I believe that we had more than 150 shareholders from the management team, which I believe has sort of further motivated them to, run very high quality care homes.
And when you sold it, it was a very successful IPO, a lot of big institutional investors.
Absolutely, it was a very successful IPO. We ourselves made, I believe, just under 3 times the money on the investment. But I think what was very positive post the IPO was that the first year it increased sort of more than 50%.
So having had such a successful exit from Attendo probably helped with your reputation, your ability to do other deals, and maybe taking advantage of the fragmented nature of the entire subsector across Europe.
Absolutely, and again, the demand for higher quality home care for the elderly people of Europe.
Thank you so much for joining us today. I've really enjoyed hearing more about the companies that you invest in. Thank you, Mats.
Thank you, Helen. It's been my pleasure.